Hey guys, it's Toys and Play. Today we're going to be showing you the Barbie's outdoor ambulance. Today we have another special guest with us, Chelsea, Barbie's little sister, who will be helping us on this tour. So let's begin.
Hey guys, it's Chelsea, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my sister Barbie's ambulance. Let's start over here. Over here, we've got a nice orange little sofa, and when Barbie is ready to leave, she can just put this up for some more room. Over here, we've got two magazines. And we've also got a little table here that has some snacks, some drinks, some more magazines and some cards. On top of that, we've got some gifts for the sick patients, like some hot pink flowers, a nice teddy bear, and we've also got a heart-shaped pink balloon. If you take all of this out, then you can just lift this up and it turns into a TV and it's got some books. Below that, we've also got a little aquarium with some fish. Over here, we've got the register desk with a little clipboard so that you know which patients are coming. And you can also put this down. If you go all the way into here, we've got the driver's seat and it rotates. And it also comes back and forward. And we've also got the steering wheel that moves as well. This is the main room, it's the clinic area, and we have a nice sky blue chair where Barbie sits down to talk to her patients. Over here we've got a nice pink bed so that the patients can sit on it. We've also got a pink stethoscope. If you move the bed over here, we've got an X-ray light and you can move it up and down. And if you turn the bed, we have some storage place where Barbie can put her more of her equipment inside. Over here, we've got Barbie's bag where she's got some more equipment for the patients. And then above it, we've got a white sink and we've got 2 bottles of medicine, like an orange one and a pink one. We've also got a needle and a thermometer. Over here, we've got a little eye test and it's also an x-ray, so you can see the x-ray picture on here. There's also a mini keyboard. And then above all of that, this is where we put the crutches. This is one of them. The other one is on the other side.
So guys, that was the inside of the Barbie ambulance. So now we're going to be showing you how to pack the stuff away in like an easy way, and then we'll be showing you the outside. So yeah.
So guys, now I'm just going to be showing you how to put the stuff away so that it will be easier for you to close up the bag. So first thing, you can put both the magazines and these presents inside. And you can also just slide this in there. And then you're gonna lift this up.
Whoops.
And also, this bed storage comes in really good handy. So you can put all of this stuff inside the little storage place under the bed and just close this up. And then all you need to do to put this down, you just put it down and then just slide it inside. And then you can also just put the stethoscope on top of that. And you can put your doctor's bag right over here. Just slide it under there and put the chair, just like push it here and then put it there. And then you just all you have to do is just put this lock on and put both of these sides down. And then that's it.
So guys, we'll be showing you the outside bit now. So this is one of the sides. It is the identical thing on the other side as well. Top bit. And this also comes with a siren, so it literally sounds, and lights also. So it's very realistic and it's just really fun to play with. So yeah.
So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.